Cecilia Creating the Heart, and I'm back with another project share using the Create and Quads layering stencils from Tailored Expressions. So this one uses the Peaceful Pines. And so, I mean, I love all the quads. They are amazing. So basically the way they work is you cut your paper 8 by 10.5, and then you stencil the 4 stencils using different colors of ink. You could use paste, whatever you want. And then you cut your paper and you're left with 4 panels that measure 4 by 5.25. And then you can make cards and whatever you'd like out of it. So, I mean, it's great. Green. I saw on the Instagram page on Tailored, I think it was Tailored Expressions page itself, someone had done this in a rainbow. And so I did it in rainbow and I absolutely, totally loved it. I think it's just so cute. And so, you know, you could keep it really simple by just putting a sentiment on there, which I'll show you one like that. Or you can zhuzh it up with other stamps and dies and things you have in your collection. So I actually use this stamp set right here, which is from Lowland Crafts. It's called Deck the Halls, and it has these cute little ostriches that are like holiday themed. And then I also use this newer die from them as well. It's a Santa outline die. But this one right here is, you can see how pretty it looks all done up in rainbow colors, and I love it. So I don't know how I'm going to do it with just plain colors because it looks so cute this way. This is from Pink Fresh Studio, and it's gold embossed, and I had this actually left over from another project that I had done, because you can, they have a stamp where you stamp it, and then they have a die you can cut a whole bunch at one time, which is what I did. And so I had some left over, and I just been using them up on my cards, and it's really nice having them ready made for you. Okay, so there's that one. And then I used the ostrich on here for this plain tree, and then the Merry and Bright sentiment also from that stamp set. And I think it looks really cute. And then the other ostrich, I used like this one, and I have that sentiment Merry and Bright here. I just stamped right in the panel. And there's that one right there. And then the last one is this one right here, and I just stamped the Merry and Bright in black right over my trees, and then I just cut out in gold cardstock. This is from Michael's. It's Michael's cardstock. The Santa outline. So it looks like Santa's just kind of floating over the trees, and it just says Merry and Bright. And so these were just really easy to make, because I got to tell you, I already had these images stamped and die cut, and I think that's really the key when you want to make fun cards, quick cards. And I had paneled these like a week ago, maybe 2 weeks ago, and they were just sitting on my desk. So I finally had some time today to sit down and make these cards. Anyway, thank you for watching. This is Cecilia Creating the Heart.